What is up, guys? This is day 6 of us building the best app for vibe coders. So this is my GigaBrain. I started building GigaBrain because I'm a content creator. You guys can see actually over there that I have a pretty okay channel. I get millions of views, right? And I built this to begin with just to help me and help me build better. And then my wife, Jacqueline, she does like a few faceless channels, and we started using it. And I've come to find out that my GigaBrain is actually like super good. And I just want to start building it for people to be able to use and have themselves. We have a few users now, and I haven't went public with it yet, but we're gonna get there. So yeah, this is my first live with this, at least with this channel. This is a brand new channel. I only got like 50 followers or 50 subscribers or something, but you know, so yeah, I want to get in and we're gonna start building stuff. Let's see here. How's everything look? Good, baby? Okay. I was speaking to my wife. Does music and stuff sound good? So we are going to build, we're going to start building 1.2.8 right now. I've got a few tasks put together ready for it. So anyways, let me actually just in case people want to go back to the beginning of this stream, there might not be anybody that ever shows up, but this is kind of just for myself. So for the GigaGrid, this is where you speak to your agents. This is where you speak to everybody. GigaTask is where you have your task flow and how you give the agents task and how they move it around. GigaRemote is the app on your phone. So you can do everything from GigaRemote on your phone. And I just have an app that I use. So there's a video I'm actually watching as well on here. But basically, so here's the app. So you've got your GigaBrain. You're able to do everything on here that you'd be able to do everywhere else. And then your GigaConnect is connecting all of your MCPs, your APIs, everything like that. It's your plugins, so connecting your Claude code plugins and your Codex plugins, putting them all in one place, and then also letting them work here inside of GigaBrain. And then you've got a vault for your APIs, so they're safe, and you have one place where you can keep them all. And GigaBrain is fully local, so you don't have to worry about that being access to anyone else or me or anything. When you download GigaBrain and you get the license, you're fully local. Then your Giga Memory. This is a huge brain that I made. It's basically like second brain, infinite brain, and like Graphify all mixed into one brain, and it's like super good. I've been working on it for months now. But yeah. Okay, and so you got Giga Voice, so you can communicate to the GigaBrain just by like with a mic. And then you got Giga Downloader. This is one of those things that's really good for like content creators. You can put any link in here and it'll download anything for you. The video, the picture, the thumbnail, the transcript. It's nice. So to begin with, we're going to start with our GigaGrid. I'm going to start up, I'll do this from scratch. So I'm going to add a Claude. I'm going to add a Codex, and I'll explain this to you as we get through it. And then I'm going to do another Claude. another codex. So let me start labeling these. So this role is going to be lead. This role, I'm going to put them as all around because we're just going to be doing more simpler stuff during this stream. That music's not too loud, is it? Okay. We'll do 3 all arounds. So, and basically what an all around is it takes over the role of scout, builder, and reviewer and janitor all in one role. If you're trying to save your context and you're trying to keep everything in one place, it's nice to have all of them separate. But for what we're going to do here, just for like streaming purposes, to keep everything on one screen, that's just how we're going to do it. Okay, so we just got told that the music is a little loud. Gonna turn that down. Should be better now. Okay, so yeah, so we're gonna have 3 all-around agents working, and then we're gonna put in some reviewers real quick. So I like to put reviewers as codex, and then another one as Gemini. Now, I know a lot of people think, Gemini sucks, but Gemini 3 Pro doing review is nice because it can just do it fast. Gemini can read code fast, and I've never had a problem with what it's shipping out as a reviewer. I wouldn't say never. There's definitely things that I have to redo, but I wouldn't say it's Gemini only, which that's actually something I should think about building for that. Connecting a way to track who's getting things wrong the most. Oh, that'll actually be tracked in my GigaBench. Yeah, never mind. We're still building GigaBench. But anyways, okay, so we have Opus 4.8 for our lead, 5.5 GPT for our first builder. Our second builder is going to be Opus 4.8 on high. We're going to put all of these on high, actually. Codex 5.5 for the all-around. We're just chilling, guys. I'm just going to start building in front of you guys. I don't know how many people are going to show up, but I want to just get people to know what GigaBrain is. And it's from what I've seen and like what other people are showing, I didn't really know it, but I have built like one of the best things. And especially for like content creators and people on Windows. You don't see a lot of people on Windows. So, okay, so 2 reviewers. This is kind of how I roll a lot. I have 2 reviewers, 3 all-around builders, and 1 lead. Okay, so skip permissions. And if I wanted to, I could put a mission down here, but I'm not going to do that to begin with. I will say this, though. Actually, I just realized I said I'm not going to do that, but I literally am about to do that, actually. Sorry. Hey, guys. So we are going to start shipping 1.2.8. Sorry. We're actually going to be... hold on, let me end that. My bad. We're actually on 1.8 already. So erase all that. Hey, guys. We're actually going to start shipping 1.2.9 right now. We're going to have a bunch of tasks coming in, bunch of good builds, bunch of good features coming in. There's nothing to do at startup. Make sure everybody just stands down and gets ready for their tasks and be ready for Lead's directive. Okay, so we're going to start them up. This takes a second, but it'll be fine. So they know exactly who they are, and they're not wasting all their time basically scrounging through a bunch of random crap. And then this is a Giga Sentinel. You guys don't really know what Giga Sentinel is yet. What happened here? Oh, okay. So here you go. You see them waiting. It doesn't look like Gemini started up like normal. Oh, okay, yeah, it did. All right, cool. Sorry, sometimes things just are a little slow at the beginning. It might be because I'm streaming. Oh, crap. Yeah, I'm like lagging. Am I lagging? Okay. 1 second. Sorry I'm lagging, guys. It's probably because I just like threw all that in right now. Let's see here. Is it bad still? Or is it just like that right there? Okay. Sorry about that. That's why things got a little weird. I haven't been streaming while also running all these, so some things might get a little weird. I did lose all my viewers. There was 4, now there's only 1. Which is you. Okay. Well, so hopefully we can get those back here in a second. Okay, stream mode, coverage, expansion, lead one up. Stream mode review failed in my mailbox. Yes, we have fixed stream mode. That is actually part of the packaging for 1.2.9. We actually went ahead and committed that outside of GigaBrain while I was just trying to get it through fast. It'll need a real commit and packaging for update 1.2.9. Okay. So now we're going to look at over some tasks. We have some tasks here. Nothing is in progress or in review right now. I am going to send some tasks out. Some of the things that I found in 8 that needed to be fixed. Okay, everybody's ready. Standby, standby, standby. Okay, everybody's in standby. So, yeah, we've got Claude, Codex, and Gemini in here right now. And let's... So, and actually, here's one of the tasks that I was working on. Blur background never worked. There's supposed to be like a blur. I can see it in between the cracks. Like a blur background of like our homepage brain. So if you see right here, the full brain, I kind of wanted that inside the grid, just in the background behind the terminals. So I wanted to get that in there and get that fixed. I can see the blurred background in between the terminals, but I don't see it inside the behind the terminals. Okay, so I'm going to send that to agent all around 1. So there we go. He just got the task. So he's going to start building on that. And now we have 2 and 3 still available. So I'm going to go over to my tasks, and you'll see that this is now in progress, and they're working on it. Search tasks. Yes, I actually was wanting a search bar right here, is where I'm hoping it'll put it. Just makes it easier for me. You know, you just think of little quality of life things as you're building things, and that's something I want them to do. Kind of just a little simple fix. But you guys can come in here, you can ask me anything, and I'll show you what GigaBrain can do. There's so much we can do. We do a lot. But yeah, okay, so let's see here. So 1 and 2 now are running. Oh, have I been missing the chat? It says sign into chat. Oh. Sign into chat. I'm already signed in. Okay, anyways. Okay, so we got 2 tasks getting worked on. They're getting worked. Their efforts are on high right now. New customer roles need updated. Yes, I want that actually going through. So let's send that to all around 3. So right now it is not public, guys. GigaBrain is not a public thing right now. We only have private license that have went out, and it's one second. There we go. Who do you think those 3 viewers were? Like, I was like, wow, 3 people came in and started watching. That was cool. I didn't think 3 people were going to come watch. We still have such a small channel. Okay, are you still watching? Because the lag seems bad. Is there lag? Okay, I need to get this pulled up on here. It was completely dead.
Oh, now
What do you mean? What do you see?
as soon as you noticed it when it started, it wasn't doing that before.
Oh, and it won't let me change it during. Okay. Well, it'll have to be fine for now. What I can do is I can make me smaller. Yeah, I'm going to make me smaller, so me lagging doesn't really matter, right? Nobody's really looking at me like that. Let me move over the Ask Me. And then let me move over the viewer. Okay, there we go. Okay, so yeah, we've got wait. Didn't I send out another task? Oh, it's already in review? Wow, that was fast. Okay. What was it? The search task? We need to... Okay, so it already got done with that. So we can now give out another task to them whenever we're ready. Let me see here. Yeah, we've got a big batch of tasks, features, and fixes that are coming in for 1.2.9. So no reason to start worrying about shipping yet. We'll get everything going, committed, and packaged when I let you know. I'll let you know when you need to do your final closeout. Okay. Oh, that's what the issue was. Okay, so task complete by all around 2. There's already an atom for this exact feature. Factors. Okay, so let's see here. So they're fixing the blur background. Okay, so now we have all around 2's done, which means what he did just went over to the reviewer. So as like a lot of times when you're building something, you don't really need too much going into it, but I like having reviewers like red team the heck out of things, because we're shipping this out to not only me and my wife, we have other private users as well, and everything needs to make sure that it's working properly. So we make them red team, and then we make them use it like a real customer. You can have your reviewer do whatever you want. Let's see here. As verified lanes land during... Do you want me to bank each one as a local commit? Explicit pass, no push? Or hold everything uncommitted until closeout? Bank locally as they land. Yeah. Yeah. We just, we got food. We ordered food. What's up, one viewer? I see you in here. Ask me anything, man. I'll tell you anything about GigaBrain. It's the best app out there. I built it on Windows as a content creator, and I've just leveled it up since. Thank you, baby. I'm going to remove this bag away, though, because that'll get loud. Okay. So let's see here. So we've got 2 tasks completed. Those were just some minor fixes that we had come through. Thank you, baby. They're not anything that was big. I was kind of wanting to get some more people in here before I start doing some big stuff, but the little tasks have already been going by pretty fast. So let's see how the reviewer does on these. See if they get it all done. Reviewer 2 didn't even get dispatched yet. Blur lane. Another completion landed while I was working. Yeah, and your lead is he has a really good role built into him, so he doesn't ever get confused. Am I talking clearly? That person left. Okay. Wonder why he left. It's not good enough for him, I guess. Found the contentation hazard all around 2 search tasks. Feature got swept into my stream mode commit. They were editing board their search. Okay, that's fine. Fix it. Okay, so let's look at the tasks that we got here. Now, I don't even know if it can do this, but this was something I was interested in. Having a way for the terminals, if they're sending a message to me directly, I want to know if they can, if the message can be orange. I think that'd be really cool, and it would help me keep it in mind on, you know, what I'm actually freaking doing, because I'm just doing so many things. Noticing a bug that's happened since 2.6. Sometimes when you hit send the task, it doesn't automatically send like it should. So something wrong with the enter for that. Okay, so I just sent the task to him for that. He's going to explore that, and he's going to find out if it's actually something he can do. I put the brainstorming skill in there for him, so he'll be using that. So now we got reviewer 1 is standing by. Everything's good there. There's a fly in here. Yeah. Yeah, he likes that light. If he comes over there, kill him. Thank you. let's see here. Last thing I need is looking like Roach King. Okay, what I found, yes, it's possible, but the clean solution depends on what counts as a direct message to me. The terminal today is raw PTY stream. Once text lands in Xterm, it's bytes. Recommended wrap operator direct messages with ANSI orange before write to agent. Applies only to known direct injection paths. GigaVision, pane message, GigaPrompt send. Write to agent. Applies only to known direct injection paths. What does it mean by that? The terminal's naturally renders in orange. Low risk, no terminal parcel. See, I don't know if I want to like get it risky, you know? Add a detection operator message. Okay, so what's the risks with it? Like if we actually want to get that put in there, why, like, is it going to, what are the risks? And I mainly only want this for terminals. So, you know, doing it for GigaVision, Giga Remote, you know, it's not really like what I'm asking for. I'm asking for when it's sending me a message as the operator, like Seth. Is it going to be orange when it's sending me a direct message? Like right now, you're asking me a question. That is what I'm talking about. Something that I for sure should read is what I'm asking. Okay. You mean agent output directed at you, not messages injected into an agent? Of course. Why would I didn't even word it like that. Okay. The main risk is that GigaBrain does not own a semantic meaning of terminal output. It receives a raw PTY stream. By the time text is on the screen, the app can see heuristics, the wrap lines, but it does not know this sentence is direct message to Seth versus a model's. Okay. All right, go ahead and park it then. That's fine. Okay. All right, so we've got 3 agents open and ready for new tasks. All the ones that we did are in a review. Okay. Yeah, Giga Alerts needs a completed section. We're still getting through some of like small things until we start building like real big features. Like build Giga Music. That's going to be a big one for us. ChatGPT real time. We're going to get that going. Giga Wizard. That's going to be awesome. Giga Crate. It's going to be awesome. Giga Jobs, Giga Analytics. We've got a few things that we're still building. That's taking a lot of work. I'm gonna move this over here. Add attachments to task and Giga Remote. There's a task inside of the in review task board, and it says add attachments to task and Giga Remote. I need you to assign that to one of the all around agents. If you're wondering what that Giga Sentinel is, so it takes my brain, right, my memory, right here, and what it does is it knows what all of these nodes are and all of these atoms, right? And what it does when you're speaking to your agents, the Giga Sentinel automatically has a full checklist. So when you say one trigger word, like earlier I said review, it triggered any review, and then it took what other things I was talking about, like Giga Remote. So it saw the word remote. It does 3 words, so I'm not exactly sure which one it also triggered for. Maybe attachments, and then it injected that exact atom where we had that conversation before inside the agent. So now it knows exactly what I'm talking about while I'm also sending that message. That was from a past. It said something about when we were building 1.2.8. Oh, right here. It says it. So the Sentinel does all that for you. It's one of the craziest things that we have with our app, and you can change how, well, let me read this first. Has a severe side endpoints, blah, blah, blah. No end-to-end phone. Yeah, so it injected that into them, so it now knows exactly what we're talking about. Now let me show you. So for the Sentinel, you come over here, Giga Sentinel. Right now, I have mine routed. Basically, if you use forced, it's going to be very expensive. You're going to use a lot of usage. But if you're somebody who doesn't really hit their usage limits a lot, you can definitely do that. But I use mine as routed, so I don't use as much. But you could also use suggestive as well. And you have 3 words to trigger. It's got to have 3 trigger words. I have my sensitivity on medium. My cooldown is every 10 minutes, so it doesn't keep pulling the same thing and making the agent read something that it probably already knows. Found it, task. Okay. All right, so we've got 2 agents available right now. Let's see what we can get them on. I'm gonna have them fix Giga Hermes and Giga Claw real quick. Actually, I'm gonna make sure I put Giga Claw on all around 2 as well, just because it's in there doing the exact same thing. And that's something you can do too. It's a little riskier. If you saw there, it said he was already working. Are you sure you want to do this? I was like, yeah. He's got 2 tasks. Sometimes things can get a little dicey if you're putting them on a lot of tasks. But I mean, I've given like 4 tasks to one agent before, and they get them done. Just be careful with it. Definitely don't give it anything big. Those are just some simple fixes they're going to be able to get done. On our MCP, GigaConnect, GigaClaw, and GigaHermes, we're having some issues, so that's what was going on. Two honest caveats. MCP is not connected in my pane, so I could not. What do you mean GigaConnect, GigaVision, MCP is not connected in your pane? It 100% should be. That's the whole point of GigaConnect. And I'm streaming right now, so I can't actually do anything in the GigaConnect page. If it tells me that again, I'm gonna go into my admin and see what's going on. But I'm not gonna be able to do anything in my MCP because I'm in stream mode on here right now, so it doesn't show anything sensitive. But well, what you're saying is a real problem. We've actually had a task for that that we built for 1.2.8 where the Claude MCP was supposed to be fixed. So it seems like you need to go find those tasks and repull them, create a new task, and you need to assign that and get to work on it. Nobody said anything yet.
Oh,
Okay, so let's see here. Okay, yeah, I don't know. We'll get this MCP tools thing figured out. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I guess when they were fixing the Giga Connect earlier, they messed up a few things. It's fine. It's good to see that the mask is working though. Because if I wasn't in stream mode, it probably would have showed the full envy. Okay, so let's see here. So it sent that task over to, it looks like all around 1. Yep, that's what it looks like. Reviewer 2 hasn't even been put to work yet. Hey, what's up, viewer? How's it going? Okay, we're back. Sorry, I was speaking to my woman. Now, Jacqueline, she uses this app too, along with a couple of my employees and some other people. But it is not shipped yet for public people to take over. We're still putting in some final details. But we'll be there soon. It's got to be like the best app. I'm serious. This OS system is, it does everything, especially for a content creator. I feel like a lot of people like gatekeep, and I don't know. I'm not gatekeeping anything. Let me show you how cool it is. The one person that's sitting in here. I don't know you or anything, but let me go take one. Let me go grab a YouTube video real quick. It's just a random video. This is sitting on my. So, you know, as like a reactor, or if you're like a, you know, what do they call them? Faceless YouTube channel. So you can just come over to your Giga downloader, paste your like a link to a video that you want. It shows you all of this. This was the video. I can download as an MP4, MP3 thumbnail. I could download the transcript, and I just hit download. Boom, it's in there. Let's say I want the thumbnail. Boom. I want the MP4. Boom. I'm not going to actually use anything about that video, but it's pretty cool. How long was that video? Oh my gosh, why did I click? Okay, hold on. Exiting out of that. That's an hour-long video. I didn't realize it was so long. I don't need that full thing downloaded. All right, trash that. But anyways, yeah. So you guys see how awesome it is. Now that's just like the downloader. There's a ton of other things that make it good. my app, like having the oh, he left. Never mind, it doesn't matter. He probably didn't care about that. Do you think people care if it's like as a content creator, or do you think they care more about like just building? Because you know, for me, it helps me do a lot of content creating as well as building. But
I mean, that could be like their little thing to like track people, you know, how everyone's kind of got like their niche.
I mean, I think one big thing is you're able to completely streamline your faceless YouTubes, and I mean,
Yeah, that's pretty big.
but that might not be what people care about. Maybe they care about more like how good is it at building, how good is the memory system. I don't know, but I think I've perfected all of those things. So being able to use your phone on the go and have the complete app to do all of this in, I don't know. I haven't seen anybody do that yet. There's a lot of things in here I haven't seen people do. Now, I will say I am lacking on the ChatGPT real time. We're going to need to get building on that, which we are doing tonight. Hey, someone said something. So you let AI do your work. A lot of it. Yeah, the tedious stuff? Heck yeah. You know, AI can really help you get a lot of those things done. Like that is like simple stuff. It can just streamline everything. Especially if you have like agents that are working for you. They know who you are, they know everything about you. You have a memory system like this. You've got their roles that, you know, explains to them what all they're doing. This is what we're on right now. This is what we're doing right now on stream today. This feed. But these roles, you know, they know exactly what we need. Thanks for commenting, Harriet. I'll let you know you're actually the first person. This is my first stream ever on this channel. And you're the first person that has commented on our first stream, on our first first stream. First person. Now I stream on my other channels sometimes, but this is my first comment on a stream for this channel. 2 mails handled. Okay, so what do we got done here? Locked. Okay. It's blocked right now? Okay, so I guess it's because that was given to Claude. I should have thought about that. Okay, so Claude, all around 2 said that they couldn't handle the GigaClaw and Giga Hermes fix because he's Claude, which was stupid and that was my fault. Save that to give to a codex to wire everything in, because GigaClaw and Giga Hermes both run on codex. I work on my own dashboard, but it is HTML, Angular, PHP, so yeah, it's a fantasy about Jarvis that you can talk. I like that idea, but setup. Sorry about my English. I'm from the Netherlands. Hey, you're all good. I love the Netherlands. I've always loved the mountains and how beautiful it looks there. But yeah, man, dashboards. That's where it starts. Building HTML dashboards. That's definitely where I started. And the more you build them, the more you fall in love with it, and the more you start building like crazier things. But speaking to Jarvis is a nice little ad. I don't. Maybe I'll add like a Jarvis ChatGPT real time into the GigaBrain, but I don't know. I know at first we'll probably just do a couple voices and go from there. We have no mountains in the Netherlands. Yeah, they do. You don't have mountains in the Netherlands? What am I thinking of? There's no way. Oh, am I thinking of Sweden?
I don't know. Maybe Sweden has some mountains.
That's gonna offend him. Hold on. Netherlands. Mountains.
Or is it
No.
Switzerland? Is it Switzerland?
Nah. Netherland Mountains right here. This is super pretty. Trying to trip me up. Like that right there. That is amazing. Living in a place like that would be awesome. Okay, so where are we at? What do you guys think we should start building first? I'll let you guys decide. So the big ones that I want to bring in right now, we've got ChatGPT real time and Giga Music. Giga Music is going to be an app inside of GigaBrain where instead, like right now, this music that you hear is on my, just like on Chrome, but I would actually like to get it into an app and have it create music, like little like background lounge music like this, and just listen to it inside the app instead of having a browser open. I think it'd be nice for people while they're working, and building. It's actually something I've thought about, and our other users would love it as well. Search on Google Maps. Amsterdam, Holland, and Dokkum. I'm pretty sure Holland I literally typed in Holland and then mountains popped up. Either Google Holland mountains could refer to a few different concepts depending on whether a remote wilderness. Okay, let's see. Does the Netherlands have mountains? Here we go. This is a question. The Netherlands is famous for being incredibly flat and low-lying, but it does have some hills and technically mountains within its broader kingdom. It's got some mountains, but I guess you're right. I just don't know what the heck I'm talking about. That's the worst thing about being live. Is it can really just show how stupid you are. You're right. Sorry about that. But I would still, if somebody asked me to come to the Netherlands, I would go. For sure. Okay, so let's see here. So we've got 2 agents available right now. So we've already done 5 fixes. Awesome. Loving that. Okay. Holland is the Netherlands. I'm born here in the Netherlands. Called Leeuwarden. That sounds like an awesome place to be. Is it awesome there? Like, is it, what's the economy like? What's the, how are the people? Okay, let's see here. So it's time to put in some new tasks. I think we're going to build Giga Music, guys. I think I'm going to try it out. Wait, is everyone busy right now? No. Why does it say that? See, there's a little fix that needs to go through. Let's give it to 3. That time it didn't say it was busy. I need to fix that, where it'll be automatic. What is this? Sorry, I don't know what that music was. Hopefully that didn't trigger some kind of thing. All right. So now we're building, the biggest thing that we're building right now is Giga Music. I just realized I probably shouldn't have put it down here, because now I'm in the way. Oh yeah, that's something I haven't told you guys about yet. Gigabot right here. This is a bot that actually runs on your machine, Gigabot, and it's completely free. And it comes with GigaBrain. Now you don't have to run it if you don't want to. Like if you got a laptop or something, there's like different versions of Gigabot that you can download that goes based off your specs, but it doesn't come pre-downloaded. It's just more of a you can download and can build him if you want. For example, I'll show you right here. So right now I have Gigabot Lite Pro, and he's Quinn 4 billion. That was some loud thunder. I don't know if you guys heard that. But anyways, based off the specs of your computer, it'll tell you what version of Gigabot it recommends. I don't know if I want to fire them up right now for stream, but I could if you guys really want me to. But he's good for like Nexus is my own desktop AI assistant currently in development. It uses faster whisper for speech recognition, Llama for AI processing, and Kakor just voice output. Everything runs locally. There you go. That's the biggest thing, is getting local, guys. I don't know how long. I don't know if AI is going to last, so you got to get local. You got to get local. Did you guys see that new it was like a, what was it? AMD. It was the AMD Ryzen Master? Is that what it was called? Hold on. Like you say, AI Master. Is it this? No, this isn't it. There was a video that I saw earlier. Gosh, what was it called? It was called something, obviously. Hey, I always had a sentinel trigger. Giga remote crew was stopped after stalling a package. And if it ever triggers something that's not right, you can either hit bad, and then it tells it not to trigger for something like that again. But that was the right trigger. You see green lit. It actually injected something that is actually good for it while it's building. But anyways, yeah. I can't remember what that was. Okay, we've got 6 things done. What is going on with Gemini? You good? That's really weird down there. Anyways, oh, I totally forgot about Giga Music. Let's read into it real quick. So, some of what we're working on might be easier to explain if I can show it to you in a web browser. I can put together mock-ups, diagrams, comparisons, and other visuals as we go. Yes, can you show me in the web browser that's inside of GigaBrain? You should have the MCP connection for that. Right now, it goes to duckduckgo.com. That's the browser that it uses. This web thing's new, guys, so I'm still working on it. And actually, one thing that I noticed about it is I'm gonna add a new task for it. Actually, GigaGrid web stretch is what I think I'm trying to say here. Okay. The web and GigaGrid or GigaBrain, it is hard coded in a location. It does not let me stretch it. So I want to be able to pull it from side to side to make it bigger or smaller. And actually, that should go for anything on the grid. So go ahead and make the whole grid more stretchy. If I want to make a certain panel bigger, I can make it bigger, which will make the other panel smaller. But don't let it break anything. Make sure everything like falls into place. And then also make sure there's a reset button. So if things get weird, I can just hit the reset and everything goes back to default. Also, make sure that the web isn't cutting off the screen. Make sure the web is wrapped properly for the browsers, I think is the correct way to say that. We actually have a copy of old Jarvis project. The main reason I haven't done much with it yet, that it's written in Python. You know, I had something like that. Uh, I, when I first was like really getting into AI, I started building a Jarvis because I thought that was really cool, and I could just never get him to sound like right. I never could get him to sound the way I wanted him to. Um, it sucked, but you know, it is what it is. It's thundering big here. I found the web button in space. The web click succeeded, but the control list is too large. Hold on. I don't want you to use the web with GigaVision. I want you to actually be able to control the web through MCP through the back end, so that you're not messing with what I'm doing up here up front. We did connect an MCP for that web, but I don't know how well it's actually connected because we didn't do much with it. Do I have Discord? Yeah. Oh crap. My my PC or my camera died. Hey Jacqueline. 1 second, guys. Okay, I don't know how long it's going to stay up because the battery died in my camera. But yeah. Okay, so this actually does not look bad. Let me show you guys this this web idea it has for Giga Music. Let me show it to you real quick. Oh, it died again. No, I need the battery. 1 second, guys. My battery died again. One second, guys. Okay. Yeah, this is one of the crappy things about having a Canon. Are you serious right now? Why is this camera not working? Okay, it's gotta be working now. I don't have any idea why this isn't working. This is why I need to get a camera that's not like this super professional camera. I need to get something that can just run on computer power. Sorry guys, I'm trying to fix this. I'm guessing it's because I'm live streaming right now, so it just doesn't want to work. I use Sony camera. Send direct to capture card and that signal to my PC. Yeah, I've got a Canon, like a pretty nice camera. I'd show you if I could. It's great for like recording shorts and like shorter videos for what I currently do. But I had a feeling it was gonna run out of batteries for an hour-long video of me building. I don't know what to do here. Okay, well, let me just hide this for now so it's not in the way. I'm trying to figure out what to do here. Where are all these guys at? It looks good. The Giga music looks good, but you need to make sure that you're using GigaBrain assets that are on the website, or I mean on the app. So make sure you just do a complete rehaul of it, and it needs to look like you know what? Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna have you send this over to All Around 2, because it's Claude Opus 4.8, and he has way better building skills than you. So send this over to All Around 2, everything you've got with this task. Make sure you move the task over and let him take over. And I'll just tell you this now, so you can tell him what needs to be changed. it needs to look like GigaBrain's assets. And yeah, just do a complete overhaul pretty much. Okay. Do you use the EOS M50? I think it is actually. I think you're. No, it's the EOS R100 is what I have. I don't know if that's super good or not. I mean, it cost me $600, which to me that's a lot of money. That might not be a lot to other people, but I can't get it to work. I don't know. Do you recommend anything? You might know. It's like not working over here on Streamlabs. I can't. I'm configuring, I'm doing everything, and it won't do anything. I'm in the EOS app right now for webcam. I'm clicking on stream. It says there's no active stream, which it doesn't ever say that. It normally says let's see here. Let me just completely exit out of EOS. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to get a new webcam if I want to start doing these live streams. Sorry about that. Because it running out of battery is going to be really annoying. Especially if I want to... Oh. Okay, it popped up something for a second. And then it went away. Let me try to look dummy batteries. What does that mean? Dummy batteries. Okay, so we handed off that task over to Claude again. I gotta remember, I don't know why I keep forgetting. Anything like aesthetically pleasing has to go to Claude. Especially if Fable 5 comes out. But Codex can handle like code issues pretty easy. But I'll tell you right now, Codex does not make aesthetically pleasing like dashboard, app, or website assets. It does not do a good job with that. And I don't want to reset the stream to get my camera to work again. I mean, the battery that's in it is working. It's 100% working. It's not that it's like a bad battery or anything. It just, I'm thinking it's because, let me deactivate. Okay, so no, now it is no longer, Streamlabs is no longer trying to use this camera. Maybe that's what the issue is, because as soon as I turn it on, it's trying to, like, Streamlabs is trying to take it. Let's see. Dummy batteries, DR E18. I mean, you need to buy a DR E18 that can direct on your net power, and you don't need other batteries anymore. Dude, how the heck do I do that? That's exactly what I want. Let me look that up. Here, I'm gonna copy your message right here. Let's see what these are. I'll do it here inside the web panel. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Oh, okay. This is like, oh yes, this is exactly what I need. So we would just leave the port open and then I can just... Thank you. This is exactly what I need. So I don't have that issue anymore. Now, will it be able to keep enough battery? That's the real question. Will it be able to keep up? Because once we do the update for 1.2.9, I'll be able to stretch this over and you'll be able to see more. But right now, it's the best I got. I'm sorry, guys. I need to get the web thing figured out better. Yeah, thank you so much. I'm 100% going to do that. That's actually exactly what I need. I'm gonna order them right now off like the stream picture, and I'm going to have them here tomorrow so I can do it for tomorrow's stream. I don't know why I didn't think of that. That's a lot cheaper than having to buy a whole new camera. Yeah, because I do like this camera. It was a big investment for me. As my channel started growing more and more and I actually started making some income from it, I was like, okay, it's time to finally get something a little bit better. Okay, what's this guy? See, I mean, look at that. Claude just gave me a visual right here inside the thing. This is crazy. Okay. Edge to edge dock. Pulse meter. I think I kind of like the Ember. What do you think? Harriet. Should we go for, with Giga Music, should we go for the Ember Spectrum bars? The Brain Pulse Halo? I'm trying to picture what this is actually going to do. Live waveform scroll. I'll wait for your answer on that. I do the same here. LOL, ChatGPT doing wonders. Hey, ask it. Let me order this, let me order these things. Dummy batteries, DR. And you're sure these are the right ones? DR. Wait, what was it? DR E18. DR E18. I can't get any of them next day. Oh, wait, no, this one I can, I think. Oh, yeah, I can get this one tomorrow night. Is there anything I should be looking for when it comes to these? Like anything that's... I think I'm going to run with the... They keep saying the R50, though. Does the R50 use the same batteries as the R100? Oh, yeah, I think it does. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so I think my only option, actually, is to do the one that's for tomorrow. All the other ones are 2 days away, and I'd rather get it here tomorrow for tomorrow's stream for day 7. Yep, so I'm going to order this one. It says it's for the ER100 Canon, so this has got to work. Okay, I'm buying it now. I don't know. The rich one. That is on you. It is only on ChatGPT I can ask for a list, but I think you can do it that self too. Okay. All right, we will have that dummy battery thing here tomorrow. Now, for the meantime, what should I do for the camera? Like, I can't get it to work at all. All right, order confirmed. We have that coming tomorrow for sure. Okay. Thank you so much for that, Harriet. I will not forget that you did that. You helped me with that because that's going to be amazing for the stream. Okay. Let's see. I just don't understand how I can get around this here. Let me try to put it on a different camera. Let me try unplugging it and see what that does. Okay, plugged back in. Does that fix it? Ooh, what'd that say? It was a little pop up. Let me see if I can get that to pop up again. For optimal performance. Oh, never mind. Okay. I help a lot of streamers. Your phone is a camera. Discord. Are you saying you've been sending me messages on Discord? I've got a lot of. I don't know who is who on there. My Discord's connected to my main channel, which is connected to my Instagram. It's got like 200,000 followers, so there's always people going in there. Now the funny thing is none of my other subscribers or followers on my other channels know about this channel at all. So I get to kind of be humbled and just have 3 viewers right now. It's kind of cool. Okay, let's see here. Why is this not working? I cannot figure this out. I don't want to reset the stream just to make it work, but I feel like that's the only option. Is there a way to like reset, like keep the stream running while I close my Streamlabs and reset it or something? Man, I don't know. Do you know what I should do with this? Oh. Not if you are streaming a single PC. So there's no way to fix this then, I'm guessing. All right. I guess we just have to wait for the batteries tomorrow. Ah, I'm sorry, guys. I really wanted to keep it flowing. Now I'm wondering if I should keep doing these tasks or should I wait till tomorrow? Let's see, what is it saying over here for GigaVision or Giga Music? What should Giga Music Volume 1 commit to? 11 Labs depends on Eternal API, your key, the local library playback. Ember Visual has no eternal dependency. All three together. Everything. Local after API provisioned. I definitely have an API in there. Don't I? I'm gonna open up my admin real quick. Hold on. You're not gonna be able to see this. 1 second. I need to look at my API for 11 Labs. Oh, I do not have my 11 Labs API in there. Strange. So inside the Giga Brain, you have your thing. Hold on 1 second. All right. Paste that in. Save. Hide. Okay. All right. Okay. 1 second. That is now in there. Okay, I'm going to do all together. I just put my 11 Labs API key inside the API vault. Make sure you do not repeat that back in chat. We are streaming live. We do have the stream mode on, so it should hide it, but just make sure you don't anyways. And I put that on the admin side, so you might not see that right away. What is this asking me? Free from prompt only. Yeah, we'll do that. No, that didn't go through because it stopped me. All right, there we go. Okay, so all right. Well, I guess I can move this little one thing. It's just sitting in the way. The infinite is to be expired if you DC. The infant, the if int fight is be expired of you DC. I'm gonna be honest. I'm not exactly sure what you were saying there. Okay, how should Giga Music store imported local music files? Copy in advanced link mode. Let's see here. How should Giga Music store imported local music files? Copy in advanced link mode. Copy link in place only. Default. Copy into an app data. Reliable, self-contained, original. Can move, delete. Advanced toggle link folder. Yeah, let's do that. Because then you can link like what I'm thinking is hopefully 11 labs. I'm not sure. Okay, so let's see what other tasks we got going because we could get some other stuff going right now. Search tasks. Why isn't that being done? Search tasks is still in progress. Can you check on that? Because it looks like both agents aren't doing anything right now. So the in search task may already be done or it hasn't been reviewed. Okay, let's see here. The GigaGrid web stretch. Yes, let's get codecs on that. The invite has expired or is no longer valid of your Discord link. Really? There's no way. People were clicking on it today. Let me see here. One second. That's working. I'm not sure then. Here. Let's Twitch. Here, I'll just give you my Discord thing real quick. One second. I don't really use Discord though. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't really use it. I'm not people talking there, but I don't do a whole lot of talking in there. I'm more of a shoot. I don't know where people get a hold of me. Instagram, I guess. But then I'm also bad there too. Ah, I can't message in the chat, seriously? Okay, hold on. It says I need to sign in, but I'm literally like I am signed in. One second. It says I need to sign in, but I'm literally like I am. There you go. I just put in my username. Oh man, I haven't seen that username in a minute. I didn't know that was my username on uh Discord. Okay, so are you able to could you tell me if you're able to read this are you able to read this? Can you actually read what these terminals are talking about? You can? One second. Oh, okay, on my screen you cannot tell. I have the bitrate at 6,000. Okay, so yeah, all right. Well, yes, you can read it, but I have 4K 50-inch screen in front of me. There you go. Wow, you're watching me on a 50-inch screen. That's crazy. Yeah, that must look wild then, being able to read all this up on a big screen like that. Well, hey, I'm gonna stream again tomorrow, and I'm gonna use that battery, the dummy battery thing. Uh, don't don't forget about me. And I don't want to just reset the stream and then just stream again. So I think I'm just gonna end it tonight, and then I'll get back on tomorrow. I've got some work to do and everything, but then later in the night I'm going to stream again, building this app and building other things too. But I'll have the dummy thing installed, and then I won't have to worry about my camera dying after an hour. But yeah, thanks for stepping by, and it was nice having you, Harriet. I'm gonna go ahead and end the screen, and I'll see you, whoever the other viewer is too. Thanks for stopping by as well. I'll see you all tomorrow.